suha. Asan na? Hindi nga ako. Ano ba yung patingin? Papicture.
Wow, sa'yo. Wow.
Oh! Sa inyo na yan. Sosyalin sa akin eh. Naman pala eh. Si Kuya talaga. I love you, Jollibee. Pucha. Nagbigay ka na. Tangik hindi sa akin yung pinagloloko nyo ako. Buti na lang. Ay, Kuya. Seryoso. Ay.
We have a special request.
Oh, shoot. Ano nangyari dyan?
Does it come in a martini glass? No. Yes, please. Thank you so much.
Can I have it in fancy big ones? Or no? You just do, no?
Raspberry to, di ba? Raspberry? Ay, lemonade.
Lemonade? No,
It's okay. Okay. Whatever you say, Kenny. We trust you.
Who's the captain or the
Ang kapapicture, akin na ka na. Hindi na, ikaw nga picture mo.
You know,
Ay, a chick cocobor.
I'll just do mine in the regular martini glass.
Ay, thank you.
no, you're not going to give that.
Ano ba to?
You pulled in where?
Lemonade to, hindi to ano, di ba?
Oh.
Kuya, hindi to alak, di ba? Oo, oh, sarap.
Is it for sake? Yeah. What is it? Sake? And then you put the ice in the middle.
Sila maganda, grabe mo eh. Kasi kami nakangingi.
Yeah, I don't know. You know, I have nothing to do with that end of it anymore.
Masarap na ito.
Not a big whiskey.
Did you tell him that?
Sarap.
No, I'm glad you said that. That's perfect. Perfect. Right. No, I appreciate you saying that because I can't say that. You know, him and I don't want to say he's not had it, but well, he hasn't really accepted me yet. I'm sorry. No, we haven't got nothing bad has happened.
Selfie. Ay.
Yeah, right, exactly. You know what I'm saying, yeah.
Oh, wow. Yummy.
Well, I know.
Kuya, anong flavor sa... Ano to, Kuya, sa akin?
Maraming ingredients.
Ano, Kuya? Anong ingredients? Ang bayabas. Pomelo. Suha. Uy, may passion fruit. Okay. Kuya, anong pangalan ng barko mo, Kuya?
Well, it's funny because I told Greg today, because I hired Steve.
Oh, Salamat, Kenny.
It's okay. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
I said, after I said, Tommy's going to
Wait, ito na. Bigay na.
rather try whale watching.
Ha? Okay, kayo.
We have a double of that
I
jack.
know. But no, those quote-unquote are like special. Today,
A single barrel.
Yes,
Right.
and then I need an Alaskan amber, or air.
and, you know, every recommendation
no.
they had their guard up, they end up calling Eddie,
Oh, yum.
you know, because I break Eddie up and you up and Tracy up. And they
Sige na, Kuya. Parang awa mo